guys, I'm Charushila Swami. I'm born and brought up from Sholapur, and I have completed my graduation in engineering, E&TC, which is first stream. And after completion of BE, there was a corona pandemic. I was very worried about my placement, and I have searched little bit about where I will get opportunities. I have searched on Google. I have contact with my friends. Then I get one references, that is Qspiders, so that it will be help to improve your knowledges, and will if you want to switch in IT, then it will be your best opportunity. That all things I get from my friends and Google. Then I have decided to join Qspiders, and I have joined in January. And in that, first of all, I was then too I was worried how that will be the happens in Qspiders and all. I have joined with manual. That was my first subject in Qspiders, and 2-3 days will be gone in demo. And after that, I have actually started with the manual. And meanwhile, Qspiders started with the presentation. Also, that one was very strong for me. And whatever we have learned in the day, at the end of the day, we have given a presentation on that. So that was a very the very strong points for me to build a knowledge. And after that, I have joined one parallel subject, that is SQL. I have one by one I have joined the subjects. And I wanted to thanks to Anvesh sir for the manual testing, and API testing also I have learned by the Anvesh sir. After that, SQL I have joined. I have completed SQL, and I want to thanks to Ekta ma'am for the SQL, and Java for the Akshay sir, and aptitude for the Rohan sir. That all things are very important for me, cause each and every faculty will give information about the how the interviewer will ask you questions, and how you have to be answer that questions. Basically, each and every point they have given the how you should answer for that question if interviewer will ask you. When aptitude is also important thing for the each and every drive, we will know all, as we know already. And Qspiders provides that thing also. And Rohan sir will teach for that, and that was very amazing experience also. And